Welcome to our channel, Warsdat, where we focus on honing your driving skills, providing in-depth knowledge about cars, and exploring the world of luxury sports cars, both modern and classic. Hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Let's explore, drive, and share the passion for cars together. Follow me. Learn more about driving skills and make your trip safer.
Theoretical questions to pass the theoretical driving test, Sunder 1. Question 1. You may cross yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A vehicle in front of you moves to the right to let you pass. B yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. C yellow line next to the opposite side of the road is broken. The correct answer is B. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. In many places, you are allowed to cross a yellow line if it is broken on your side of the road, indicating that it is permissible to pass other vehicles. However, if the line is solid, you are not allowed to cross it. Question 2. Backing your vehicle is A. Always dangerous. B. Dangerous if you have a helper. C. Only dangerous in large vehicles. The correct answer is A. Always dangerous. Backing up a vehicle can be dangerous due to limited visibility and the risk of hitting obstacles or pedestrians. It's important to always exercise caution, regardless of vehicle size, and ideally have a helper, or use mirrors and cameras to assist with reversing safely. Question 4. Any amount of alcohol in the blood may affect a driver's A. Right-of-way privileges. B. Judgment and physical coordination. C. Knowledge. The correct answer is B. Judgment and physical coordination. Even small amounts of alcohol can impair a driver's judgment, reaction time, and coordination, making it dangerous to operate a vehicle. Question 5. You are about to make a left turn. You must signal continuously during the last feet before the turn. A. 50. B. 70 fines. C. 100. The correct answer is C. 100. You must signal your intention to turn continuously for at least 100 feet before making the turn. Before returning to your original lane after passing another vehicle, you should A. Beep your horn. C. Both headlights of the passed vehicle. B. Invor rear-view mirror. C. Flash your headlights. The correct answer is B. See both headlights of the passed vehicle in your rear-view mirror. Before returning to your original lane after passing another vehicle, you should ensure that you can see both headlights of the vehicle you passed in your rear-view mirror. This indicates that the vehicle is safely behind you and it's clear to merge back into your lane. Question 6. This sign is a warning that you are approaching A. An intersection. B. A crosswalk. C. A railroad crossing. The correct answer is C. A railroad crossing. A sign with an R typically warns drivers that they are approaching a railroad crossing. Question 7. This road sign means A. No right turn. B. Drive only in the direction of the arrow. C. Curve ahead. The correct answer is B. Drive only in the direction of the arrow. This type of sign usually indicates that you must follow the direction of the arrow, typically seen at intersections or turn lanes.